he's part of the family, so they're like, where's the kid? I was off in the woods yesterday, and they're like, where's everybody?
It's weird when we're yeah, this lighting is odd today.
Yeah.
It actually looks better here than it does.
I know, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. At
Like,
least my face doesn't look orange here.
Yeah. Do we look orange to you guys?
Morning, guys. There goes Cash.
Video bomb.
They almost hit the house and it looked like a mini tornado came through here. They make me nervous now.
Yeah, ever since the mini burst, if the wind hits like 15 mile an hour, Sarah goes running for the windows. What's coming down? I feel like I have this glare off of my giant orange forehead this morning.
Then put your hat back on. Hey, I just want you to be comfortable in yourself there, Zachary.
Faye hasn't slept yet.
Oh my God. What are you doing?
Okay, so I was a little nervous that my SCOBY wasn't working because okay, it's like half sinking.
It's like in the process of it.
Why is it sinking? It was just floating until I carried it over here. Good morning, Backwoods.
They're fine if they sink.
Okay.
And hi! Thanks for that. Zach was a little worried. He's been putting a lot of effort into this.
Yeah.
Now that I need to clear this stuff off so that we can get ready to paint over here, I can have Zach start building me some shelving units and start putting some stuff up, which is one thing I do need to do today, is since Zach finished painting over there by the door, I really need to get the shelf that we took down from there cleaned up and hung back up so that we can, I usually hang my car keys there. So I saw your head pop up, so I'm not the only one who heard it.
I'm gonna kind of leave it up to you guys. We are not gonna be able to stream as long today as we normally do. At my mother-in-law's filling up a 5-gallon or 7-gallon water container because our well water is drinkable, but it's very high in iron. It dyes everything orange. We're constantly battling iron stains. Southpaw, best believe it. I got like 3/4 of a tank.
Take it all the way back there.
Go ahead, make it get back there while I do this.
Hey. I did it!
Dip your brush.
Brush it off one side.
Now go up the other side.
Fried bacon
Here.
balls.
You got paint on
Are you gonna take it?
Dad. Dad, you got
I like medium
you
rare
got
personally
paint on my
too.
head.
Surprised this gallon covered our whole kitchen. It's a good thing.
Whoops.
Oh,
If you pulled it out, I'll fix it.
I can fix that. I just can't get under there.
Well, don't worry about getting under it. I already painted under it.
I know. And the froggy is just like a unicorn that has a front. Well, D makes it.
We, guys, our kitchen is done being painted. Finally. You and Starla have been married 6 years today. Congratulations, man.
Happy anniversary. 6 years today.
Yep. Tim and Starla over there at Ridge Life. Happy anniversary, guys. 6 years? We just celebrated. Was it 6 years? I always say it's one more year more than what we've been together. So, too, you could pick up the rest of the puppies before their eyes were open and they'd just go stiff and hang there. She could pick Hardy up without his eyes open and his little tiny nub of a tail would just start going.
I'd hold him up on my chest like this and he'd
Until
cuddle
she
under
put
my
it back
chin
down.
and his tail would go and
Fascinating because I want to try to stream as much of it as possible, but we're trying to set up to stream through certain days of the week. In order for me to get everything done, it's not going to work. So we're going to have to do a stream week here soon. Alright, I think that's what we'll do. We'll set up to do a stream week starting Wednesday. We'll do block streams as long as I can hold the battery power until the phone dies.
Egan, chill out.
We
buddy.
gotta build the kids' bed. I gotta get the chicken pen done. I gotta get the garage cleaned up. We gotta get the house finished. We'll have an entire to-do list set up by Wednesday.
Of what needs done in your week.
Of what we're gonna do in the week. I'll probably go ahead and get the kids' bed frame pieces cut before I start streaming Wednesday, though. Because I was already kind of planning on doing that stuff tomorrow. Cutting the pieces, not assembling his bed. We're going to go ahead and shut this down. So thanks to everybody for coming over, hanging out with us today. I will see you all Wednesday for starting off the stream week and our work with Zach on Wednesdays.
My next appointment's Wednesday, so we can give a baby update too.
Yep, we'll just start Wednesday off with a baby update.
Well, no, because my appointment's not till 12:45, and if you're starting it at 10,
Oh.
then
Yardy!
you won't start it off with it, but I'll give you one at some
Maybe
point.
we'll kick Wednesday off with the duck dance.
The duck dance.
The duck dance.